Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessicatrnovec, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So guys, I'm going to say my name is Slovak. Ahoj, volám sa Jessicatrnovec. Ako sa máš? Ty? Dobre. So guys, in today's video, it's my wash day routine. It's my Sunday wash day routine, and also a pamper because I'm going to put masks on my face. I'll show you guys the mask I'm going to be using on my face. Yes, while I wait for my hair to get ready, because I'm going to use Cardi's hair natural condition method. I'm going to do that on my hair. Okay guys, so what we're going to use to wash my hair are some products I have. So guys, before we get started, please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done that, and also turn up the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get a notification when I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Alright, so let's get started. So guys, this is one of the products we'll be using to wash my hair today. I'm going to be using this tea tree deep cleansing shampoo. Yes, I don't really wash my hair, like, since it's still short, so I don't really play with it, so I just wash it twice, no, once in 2 weeks. Yeah, since it's still short and there's nothing much to do with it. Yeah, so I'll use this to wash. Since it's 2 weeks I've not washed it, then I'm going to use my moisturizing shampoo to moisturize my hair. Then, since the natural shampoo the natural conditioner we're going to be using is like a deep conditioner, I'm also going to be using a moisturizing conditioner when I'm done with deep deep conditioning my hair. Yes, so it's from this KUI brand. Yeah guys, so the things I'm going to be using for my natural deep conditioner is in the kitchen, so we'll go to the kitchen and get that prepped out before I start washing my hair. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the kitchen.
So guys, these are the ingredients we're using mayonnaise, 1 avocado, cheese, 2 egg. I'm using 1 egg and 2 banana. So I'm going to write everything, what the benefits of all these ingredients. I'm going to write them on the screen so that you guys can see the benefits. I'll just put everything together and I will blend them out till they are really smooth. Yes guys, so that's what I'm gonna be doing, and you will see the mixture in a bit when I'm done blending it. So I will see you guys in the bathroom. All right, bye guys.
So guys, I've already mixed everything, and here I have my argan oil and Jamaica black castor oil.
I use castor oil because that's what Calibre used on her recipe.
Add a little bit. This is our mixture. Hope you guys can see. I'm just going to add a little bit inside here, because the rest of this I want to apply it on my front hair. So I'll mix all this together and I'll wash it. We'll just get started, okay?
So guys, right now I'm just rinsing my hair so I can start applying the shampoo on my hair. So I'll be using the tea tree deep cleansing shampoo to wash my hair. This is from Beauty Formula. Yes, this helps to cleanse any dirt and leaves your hair looking healthy, shiny and strong. So I'm just washing my hair. Make sure I'm like massaging it inside my hair. My hair really cut guys, like I don't know why. I'm rinsing it out right now, rinsing out the shampoo, everything from my hair. Then I'm now using the moisturizing shampoo also to, wash my hair, like to put moisture back inside the hair. So I'm just cleaning because I like to clean after me. So now I'm rinsing it out from my hair, just rinsing everything out, and my hair now feels super clean and super open, like everything inside my hair just feels so clean and so good. So now this is the mixture of Kylie B, and we also need like a nylon so that I can use to cover the hair after we finish applying this mask on my hair. I hope this thing works as I saw the review on TikTok and other people were doing a video about this. I hope it works same on my hair because I'm trying to grow out my natural hair. I cut my hair because my front hair was not growing due to some health issues. So now I'm trying to grow it out again. Hopefully it will grow out, but the front hair is still giving me that same issue. What the heck, I miss braiding my hair. But this, as I'm editing this video, guys, I'm seeing my coils are looking cute. They're looking cute. So I'm going to cover my hair with this plastic bag, because she covered that hair with the plastic bag. So I'll leave this for an hour or so, then I'll get started with my skincare routine. All right, guys.
Here to wash my face. My face is a bit dry right now, so I'm going to wash my face with this product. But before I start using this, I'm going to cleanse my face. I just hope this mask does what they say it does for my hair. Like they say, it's enhanced hair growth. So hopefully it does that for my hair, because my hair needs to grow. So I'm really going to clean my face with. I've done a review about all my updated skincare routine. I'm going to put it somewhere here so you guys go check it out. My face is a bit dirty because I went out today and I went to run some errands today, so I'm also going to put that video somewhere on the card so guys check it out. Yeah, I've already damped my face with water and I'm adding this on my face.
So guys, I'm using my glycolic face wash to wash my face. This helps to clarify and restore. I'll be using this. It's not yet up to a month. I'll be using this, so I'm just trying to see if my face can come back to the way it was before. Yeah.
So guys, I'm going to be using my small cheap towel to just dump my face a bit.
So guys, in my previous video which I'll put somewhere here, I'll show you guys my skincare routine. I have one face mask. So this one is a cleansing face mask. I'll just trying to decide which one should I use because my face was dry. So I decided to use the hydrating face mask, and this is what it looks like. It looks this greenish color. It's really nice. It smells so good, like really nice on my face. And after that, my face felt so hydrated. Like guys, my face felt so hydrated. So that is what that's what I'm using on my face. Yeah.
So guys, I've washed everything out of my face and I've got my face dry. Yes, so I'm going to wait for this mask to get done. So right now, let me just go and have my dinner. I'm eating salad. And when this is ready, I'll wash it out, shower, and I'll come back and finish my skincare. Okay? Alright, see you guys later. Bye.
So guys, this is what my hair looks like.
Guys, I finished with everything. This is what my hair looks like.
So guys, right now, sorry about my face on my I am rubbing like oils on my hair, like the oil that remains. I'm rubbing that on my hair, and I'm rubbing another oil on my hair. That's for the front hair. Guys, you can see my front hair is to grow. I'm also using this they say this helps to enhance hair growth. It smells nice. It's called placenta. So they say it helps to enhance hair growth. I bought this from my stylist. Yes, so she said it will help my hair to grow out. I said okay, no problem, let me just get it. So now I'm just combing my hair, just combing it out. Then I am going to cover it with this scarf because this is silk, so my bed sheet is not silk, and I'll use this cap to cover it. And now I am using my face fat hydrating toner to tone my face. See all those places that were dry, they've gotten life, they've gotten water. And I'm using this spot treatment for my face because of my spot I have on my face which don't want to go. I'm using the spot treatment on my face. Then I'm also going to use this hydrating night cream to apply on my face. Like at night I always use anything hydrated, so when I wake up my face will not feel dry. And let's not forget the eye cream. I'm using the eye cream on my under eye area, which helps to hydrate my eyes. And I'm going to apply lip balm on my lips. I'm using this Nivea lip balm on my lips. It's strawberry. And that's it, guys. See you. Bye.
So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done that, and also turn up the notification bell so that you will be the first to get notification when I upload a new video. And also like and comment and share. So let me know in the comment section if you have tried this Kylie hair mask before. Have you tried it? Let me know. How did it happen, or what happened to your hair? I'll be doing this again in the next 2 weeks to see. Like I'll do it twice in a month, every twice in a month. Yeah, to see how my hair grows. Alright, so I'll see you guys in my next video.
Be the plan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the plan.